I lost my job for the first time. Here is what I learned. First of all, my case is not the place is toxic story. I enjoy working there. So, why did I lose my job? Let's start from the beginning. I just graduated from college. Long story short, I got accepted into a big company as a programmer. In college, I got used to public speaking, debating, and teaching, so my soft skills were above average compared to the average college students. My technical skill is also pretty good, but there are some skills that I don't have yet. And apparently, these are the skills that are extremely critical for my career. I'll name the two most obvious ones. First one is the ability to understand your place. And the second is the ability to influence without offending other people. The lack of these skills put me in a lot of uncomfortable situations. It is kind of difficult to describe. To put it simply, I unintentionally offend some people several times. Okay. And it doesn't matter who's wrong or right. But definitely, I was not wise enough back then. So I learned a lot. I learned that there is a way to influence others while still being likable and making them feel great working with us. Okay, let's talk about the technical skills. I'm a pretty creative and imaginative person working in a stable enterprise. I believe you can sense the problem already. On top of that, we were dealing with a lot of legacy code, and looks like I am visibly stressed out often when working with that. When I lost my job, my boss told me this: you have a good skill set and you definitely learn a lot here too. You better work in place with minimal constraint, somewhere like startups. So basically, what he said is, my strong attributes are almost useless here, and my weakest attributes are exposed. Okay, that's lesson two. I do have weaknesses in dealing with legacy code, but it is a skill issue that is learnable, so I need to enhance my skill in this area of expertise. Okay, that was two of my biggest weakness back then. I am socially clueless and my skill set is mismatched with the company needs. It took a while for me to digest all of the information, but trust me, when I accept the truths and ignore the ugly parts, it is one of the best lessons that I have learned in my life until this point. And it becomes the fuel for me to be a better person, to increase my value as a human being and a programmer. Thanks for listening. I believe some of you guys have similar stories. Share it in the comment section. If you like this video, like and subscribe. See you on the next one.